So, holy cow, I made this whole video without audio, and this is probably my third time I'm filming this. First time I stuck due to some stupid noises, and let's do this again. It's me not giving up. Hey guys, what is going on? What is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's great to have you here. I'm Divyansh Malik. So as you have already seen the thumbnail of this video, that I'm talking about confidence and stuff related to it and a bit of my experience. So let's get started. So as you have already know, there are a lot of people around you with no confidence, or maybe just confidence in them. And I think confidence is something that really matters to you at each and every point of your life, I guess. So confidence, it really depends on how you define it. Since I'm an introvert, I tend to be not like a very, but I am extrovert also. In short, I balance. Like, I don't think so I've come off a very confident person. Maybe I do, I don't know. But it's something definitely I've struggled in my past. And I've built myself up from the bottom. And I think I have no reason to not to be confident. There are a lot of things that can make you feel confident. Confidence is something that can be practiced. But I think when you structure your life and you set big goals and you achieve those goals and you work too hard and you work so hard towards that goals and you achieve those goals, you're like, okay, I have the ability to do this, I can do this. And when you have ability to do this, and if you have afraidness in yourself, you're like, it's not bad to feel afraid, but it's not something I will let that stop me. I think just setting yourself up to do things that are uncomfortable will help you out so much. And I think that it really helps. Go set your goals, have a dream and work too hard towards that. And when you will achieve it, you are like, wow, it was me and I have ability to do this, I am not afraid. And then you will feel confidence within yourself. After that you will feel like, I can go out, I can change things, I can do this, I can do that, I am not afraid.
So yeah, I think there's always ways to train yourself, but yeah, I wasn't always naturally confident or brave or bold, but I was able to build myself up from the bottom and become confident over time. But it come and goes. There are times when I'm not feeling confident.
I always like to focus on internal confidence. Then you have external confidence to focus. Like everyone has up and downs in their lives. In my life, when I feel I am not confident, and there are some feeling in me like I'm so confident, I can do this, I'm not afraid. Like in most of the things, everyone want to be stay balanced, and I think you can stay balanced, you can make confidence once you get to know why are you feeling confidence. Like just go and check out where are you feeling the most confidence in your life, and when you will find out, you will be able to manage your confidence on the other areas too. Like in my experience, I feel most confident while playing football, while I'm in a football match. I feel like I can do this, I can do better than everyone else, and I have worked on this. So later on I tried to be confident in the other areas too, like by telling myself that I can do this if I'm giving my all. And the other way is to be honest with yourself, and the best way to build confidence is that you can invest your energy in it, you can work on it, you can work hard towards it. One thing is also that you can't be always confident by telling yourself that I can do or I'm the best. You have to invest in it, you have to work hard on it, and you actually have to be and actually have to do. Next thing is probably finding comfort in discomfort. You know that you are putting yourself out there each and every time, and you are trying to do new things, which means you are taking risk in new things. As we all know, there is no growth in your comfort zone. Like for in a football match, there are two choices. One, you have to be in that match and to create the possibility of scoring goal and try to win that match. And the other thing is you can sit outside in the match with the substitutes. It means if you are not okay with the possibility of losing, or if you are not okay with the possibility of someone is not liking you, it means if you are not taking a chance, you can't get better at it. And if you can't get better at it, you will not able to build confidence within yourself. Like in my experience, I'm trying to be in front of my camera. I started a streak about my YouTube videos, and I think it was not that easy. YouTube is not all about camera chakkate chakki the party. There is of course a lot of before and after YouTube video. You have to edit it, you have to edit thumbnails and etc. and everything. It's of course so many people will like my videos and some will not, and some will try to support me and some will not. But at the same movement, I overcame all my tensions and started YouTube channel. There is also acceptance, which is also important. Like you are going in a job interview and it was not that good due to some reasons, and you are putting that they put a lot of it in front of you, they were rude to you. You are always blaming them, which means you are not learning anything from this experience, which also means you are not allowing yourself to learn from that experience for the next time, I think. And when you won over something, you easily accept that, and when you lose over something, you are always blaming the other one.
So let's have a look at this. It's possible. The question is, are you hungry enough and willing to or are you soft?
Yeah, it's a reminder that anything could be possible. It depends on you that you are trying to do that. You are willing to hurt yourself enough, or you are thinking that I can do it. It's possible or not. And yeah, I look at that every day, and I feel like damn, you don't have any excuse. Just go and do it.
Let's have a look at this also. Consider yourself a genius in everything you do in your life and carry that confidence with you, whatever you do.
The funny thing is, it really goes back to my other video talking about not letting society defines you in any way. If you view yourself as a genius in everything you do, which means you are giving yourself more confidence, and you will probably getting better at it, and you will learn from it something. I'm saying this all doesn't mean I'm fully perfect at it. It's something from my experience, and I'm also working at it in trying to get better at it.
There was a person who asked me this. I'm not gonna take the name of that person, but that person still asked me, how do you overcome being made fun of for doing YouTube?
With all of my honesty, I don't think I really get made fun of myself. Maybe I get teased with my friends, but I don't let that stop me. If I'm being made fun of behind my back, I really don't care because it's behind my back. Why take tension of that? Jokes on you at the end of the day are useless, and I don't think we have to care about that. And yeah, I don't really get made fun of. I have got nice real friends and family who supports me, so I don't have any problem. I think in your life, if you love something and it really matters to you, you should go after it. And you have to be self-aware in your dreams and your goals to a certain degree, but maybe not even. But at the end, you have to try everything. But heck, give it a shot. The beauty of all this, whether I touching 1,000 subscribers, whether I'm becoming footballer, I don't care. What I mean by I don't care is that I don't let that affect myself. I don't let that affect what I feel about myself, how I treat myself. The thing that I care about is that I'm really giving my all. I'm giving my 100%. And that's what I mean by I don't care. Actually, I care because if I'm getting 1,000 subscribers, it will be good. If I'm becoming a footballer, it will be nice. I care about that. But I don't let that affect myself. I think over time you learn from your experience. You have to see other things, you have to handle them and get better at it, work on it and put yourself out there and believe in yourself. You have to manage things, you have to become able to manage things. If you have any questions, write it in the comment box. I'll be seeing all and answering all. You can give some suggestions of yourself also. You can also add me on other medias. The links are in the description. Go and stalk it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. See you in the next vlog. Till then, stay tuned.